If you go down to the woods today, there should be lots of mist. According to my weather app, according to reality, that's absolute bull. Anyway, this video is sponsored by Lumix, whose cameras and lenses I use exclusively. Now, I've kind of assumed for the purpose of this video that your photography-loving loved ones, who I imagine you want to buy a photography gift for, based on the fact you're watching this video, I've kind of assumed that they already have a camera that they like. If they don't, I'd urge them to look at Lumix cameras and lenses, but as I say, for the purpose of this video, I've assumed they do. Anyway, every year, about this time of year, I get asked a lot what people should buy for their photography enthusiast friends and family. And to be honest, I don't think you should buy them anything. Let me explain. So, I make my living by taking photos, and for a long time before that was the case, I always assumed that would mean I'd constantly be out with my camera. It turns out though that just like before when I did it as a hobby, I actually have very little time to take pictures. By the way, what do you make of this music? It's quite jazzy, isn't it? Quite exotic. And I'm in an airport, so that makes sense. Although it is December. Right, I've gone off topic already. Where was I? Oh yeah. So here's me not taking photos in an airport with all my friends. Here's me on a plane not taking photos. Here's me running a workshop not taking photos, and here's me sat in a hotel room, although I'm taking photos. Nah, I'm only joking, that'd be a bit weird. Unless I was a hotel photographer, in which case it would make complete sense, but I'm not. Anyway, I know it's completely obvious that I got all of those clips in the space of a day, so it doesn't really help prove my point. But my point is that even though photography is my trade, it's what I do as a job, I don't actually get all that much time to do it. Typically in the day, I'm sending emails, or I'm writing proposals, or I'm chasing invoices, or I'm trying to figure out how Bluetooth headphones work. Basically, I'm doing work just as anybody in any other job is doing. So my suggestion is that if the person you want to buy a photography-based gift for already has a camera and a lens and all the main stuff, then I reckon you should try to buy them time. So if you're their boss, you could maybe give them like half a day off work, and if you're their partner, you could maybe give them some time off the house chores, or the kids, or the dog. And if you're their friend, I don't really know how you'd buy your friend time. Let me know in the comments if you think of any suggestions for that. But as photographers, time is our most precious resource, and if you can find any way to get us that, that's definitely the best present. Although try not to give us photography time when it's raining, if possible, ideally.